Sa pagbalik natin, mga bata pa sila, mga good-looking sila, pero itong mga magkakapatid na to, this early pa lang, nagbibigay suporta at pagmamahal na sa isa't isa.
Wow.
Julia and Claudia Barreto, Marco and Michelle Gumabaw sa pagbabalik yan ng Chris TV. Sweet, nagtatanong ka, who's older? Si Michelle.
Correct. Si ate o nga.
Marco and Michelle Gumabaw, but you're just 2 years apart, right?
Yes.
Opo.
But may mas bata pa, right?
Yeah, she's 17.
17.
Yeah.
Yung ano, and you have an ate, ate ba? Ate, right? Because you're the only boy. Tama? Your ate's like in her 30s. Tama ba ako?
No, and she's 25.
25. Yung ano, so, yun yung oldest.
Yes.
We have 2 half-brothers.
Yun.
Yun.
Sorry, doon ako na-confuse.
Complicated.
Oh, it's
I think he's
complicated.
36.
Pasensya na. Ha?
So we're
36?
Yeah,
36.
Wait, kasi your dad had kids prior to ending up with your mom.
Opo.
Yun ang, sorry, na-confuse ako. Okay, ulit. So, dad had 2 kids.
Yes.
Yes.
Same moms?
No,
No,
different.
different.
Okay. This is 36.
Opo.
Yon, married and with kids na
Opo.
siguro. Baka ka-age nyo pa, halos. And then the next.
26.
20.
So, ang oldest na kapatid nyo,
Is Katrina. She's 25.
what does she do?
She's into events, but she's right now our handler, our manager. And then Marielle,
How old is Marielle?
she's 23.
Yeah.
Okay, anong ginagawa ni Marielle?
She works in People Asia po.
Oh, okay. And then?
And I'm next.
Tapos siya
Ikaw na,
na.
middle
Si Marco
ka.
na si youngest yung 16.
Opo.
Si youngest, girl.
Girl.
4th year? High school?
Turning first year college.
Where?
Lasal also.
Oh, lahat kayo lasa. Oh, wait, Marco, mag-aaral ka ba
Yes.
this May? May sa inyo nag-start,
May.
di ba?
May po.
You are? Nag-enroll? What course?
I'm gonna enroll pa lang. Same course pa rin. Psychology.
You? Tapos?
Graduating thesis, incoming thesis na po.
Okay.
For marketing.
Pero pwede ka pa mag-play, hindi na?
One
sa
more
volleyball,
year.
pwede pa?
Pwede pa kasi 5 years eh.
So, one more. So, tatapusin mo yon?
I'm still undecided po.
I was talking to him sa set, and I said, is she gonna be artista? And he said, most likely. So, you are?
I'm keeping my options open po, and I'm still weighing my opportunities.
So, kayo talaga yung magkasunod? So, kayo ba ang pinaka-close?
Actually, everyone's close naman.
Oh,
Sa
that's
fam-
good.
Yeah, everyone's close.
Even with your half-siblings, close kayo? Ay, that's nice.
We see every,
We see
mga
each other
twice a week,
twice a
every
week.
Wednesday
Huh?
and Sunday.
Why?
Because of our church activities.
Yeah.
Yung church nyo. Kasi yung pastor na yung dad
Yeah.
nila.
Correct.
May activity. Ang born again, may activity din ng Wednesday.
Bible
study
study
po.
lang.
Bongga.
Okay.
Okay, kasama din natin ang ganda, Claudia and Julia Barreto.
Hello.
Okay, who decided Barreto gagamitin?
Me, I think. Hindi, I think, yun na talaga eh. Like, for TV.
Oo.
Kami yata, my mom and I.
Kasi bakit din ang Julia Padilla? Pwede din
Oo. No, I have question. That's not the real last name eh, of the dad, right?
Oo naman, yeah, I know.
Di ba Baldivia? Tama ba ako?
correct.
Yes.
Oo. So in school, are you Baldivia?
Yes.
Oo. So, baka gusto nila na Barreto para to differentiate. Tama ba ako? Na pang... Kasi
Hindi, at saka kasi matunog na yung screen name na Barreto, especially sa
Yeah.
mga girls, di ba?
Correct. Sa babae.
Pag sinabing Barreto,
Magandang
magandang
babae.
babae.
So, eto ngayon, did it take you a long time to convince your mom to allow you, especially kasi you're gonna go home study na. So, and I heard you're bida na, in your teleserye, social. Oh, so paano yan?
Yeah, it took me years to convince my mom kasi when I stopped, she wanted me to focus on my studies.
How young were you when you stopped for a while?
I stopped siguro when I was 11.
11, so parang 5 years na mahinga.
Yeah.
Tapos,
And then, sabi ko na sabi, Mom, I wanna go back na, I wanna go back na. She's like, Julia, studies muna, and that's not the right time. And then finally, I was like, Mom, I'm 16 na. Magsi-16 na ako. I think it's about time. Then finally,
bongga nanay mo, that's a 16. Kasi pwedeng sabihin, no, 18, or
18
no,
dapat
20,
eh.
ganon. Oh.
pero I don't know. My mom naman kasi very supportive rin of what I want.
Bongga. What about you?
Not yet. I wanna finish studies, and I think I'm still too young.
Pero di ba nag-model kayo before? I remember that. Was it Ginger Snap?
Ginger Snap.
As in, both of you, di
Both
ba?
of us.
When you were so young. As in, how young were you that time?
She was 6.
So, you were
I was 8. For 2
2
years
years.
lang, right? Yeah.
How old are you ba now?
I'm 13.
Okay, so kayong dalawa na ano, parang you see yourself following in her footsteps.
Not
Posible?
really.
Ay, hindi.
I don't know if I have the ability to act, so...
Pero ikaw talaga, siya daw yung leader sa school, true? And smart.
Yes, she's very smart.
Siya yung smart
Siya
talaga.
yung smart
so doon naman ka
house.
focus.
Yeah, she's the brilliant one in the house.
Ay, bongga!
Yes.
Ayun.
And ito pa sweet na aliw ako kasi you all acknowledge na siya yung mature.
Yeah, sometimes siya yung ate ko.
Talaga?
Yes.
How old's Danny?
Danny's 19.
19. Pero even Danny acknowledges na si Claudia ang minsan mas ano pa.
Yeah. Si Chloe pa yung Danny. Don't do that. Siya pa yung ganon.
Bongga! Bakit?
Little ate.
Oh, bakit ikaw nga yung little ate? Saan ang galing yun?
I don't know. It's just her. She's very
Oh.
mature.
Bongga. Sa inyo, sinong mature?
Me.
Okay. Oo.
Pag ganun pala ako ng
Dahil-
mic, sumagot ka na agad.
But, Michelle, how? You feel na ikaw?
Siguro
Well,
because
I think because being an athlete, di ba? Disiplinado siyang
Yeah.
tao siguro talaga.
Yeah, she is.
Are you parang
Yeah,
instrumental in his decision to go back to school? Ikaw ba yung nag-insist?
Opo, because for me, studies is very important. And between him and Margarita, our youngest sister, I really push them to do good in school talaga, especially Marco.
Tama. Oh.
Tama yun, kasi pag-artista anytime, especially if you're as good-looking tulad dito ni Marco, anytime may project naman na darating, why not, di ba? Pero yung studies, very important. So, hanggat pwede, hanggat kaya, hanggat may pampaaral ka sa sarili mo. So, ngayon, bilang nagtatrabaho ka na, ikaw na mag-handle for yourself. O, parents.
Parents ko pa rin.
Ganon? Okay, yan ang pag-uusapan natin,
Ba't ganon?
The ones who are now earning, are you generous with the ones who are not earning yet? I mean, nag-share ba kayo talaga? Paano nyo inaalagaan ng isa't isa sa pagbabalik yan ng Chris TV? Now that you're earning, Julia, nag-share ka ba sa kanya? Like, I know from my research na nood kayo ng The Script. So, who
Yeah.
paid for the tickets?
She paid for her own. I paid for my own.
Ah, ganun?
Eh, ba't ganun eh? May trabaho ka na, meron kang commercial,
no,
mga
I'm
endorsements.
generous naman, pero I'm really kuripot.
I'm generous but I'm very
Hindi,
kuripot.
parang-
Paano yun?
Opposite yun, ah.
No!
Hmm.
There are times when I'm very generous. There are times na I'm very kuripot din.
Like how? Paano yung pagkukuripot mo? Like?
Like, even sa sarili ko, I'm scared to spend a lot.
Mm.
Yeah.
So, ikaw nagbayad ng ticket mo, siya nagbayad
Siya
ng ticket
nagbayad ng
niya.
ticket niya.
Saan mo nakuha yung pambayad nun?
Correct.
I
Hindi
hear
ko
her naman because she
graduated,
has
no?
endorsed. And I just graduated, so graduation gift.
bongga.
Eh, ikaw, ano usually mga pag ililibre mo siya, anong nililibre? Bilang
Yung time sa generous kang
Yung
sinabi mo,
generous ka
generous
na.
ka.
Kunyari, we're in the mall, tapos she wants something, and she doesn't have money. Siyempre, naawa ako as her ate, diba? So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get this for you. And then she gives me a little hug. Ganon.
Fuck, oh, yakap ka agad.
ano?
Oo,
Ang kapalit
syempre.
ng libre, hug.
Oo naman.
Ang bonggang
Okay.
ate naman ito, hug lang pala, no?
Oh, when Marco started earning, was he sharing with you?
Oo, naku, umamin ka.
Hindi, same as Julia, kuripot rin ako. But may times na, kung generous ako, super generous naman.
Oh,
Right.
Pero
ate,
most of the
ano
time,
yun?
kuripot.
Ate, ano yung mga
Oh,
libre
the
sa'yo?
few times na naging
Kasi,
generous
kasi
siya.
ito baligtad eh. Mas matanda, mas bata yung nagtatrabaho eh, may racket eh. Oh. Anong mga libre sa'yo nung mas yung younger brother mo?
The few times.
Ah, sige, ikaw muna.
The few times na nanibre si Marco, siguro po when it comes to dinners, movies, because yun yung bonding namin as a family, really to eat. So,
Okay,
Marco,
pero he came from... Were you in Hong Kong? Love you,
Yes,
di ba?
yeah.
Inuwian mo naman siya.
Yeah, everyone naman, I brought naman pasalubong for everyone. Pero, medyo nabitin ako kasi naubos yung money ko sa sarili ko.
So what did he bring you?
he brought us Winnie the Pooh tumblers.
From Disneyland naman kasi.
Utang na loob.
Hoy, from
At your age, anong gagawin niyo doon sa Winnie the
No,
Pooh na
hindi, I was really
tumbler?
planning on buying them, stuff talaga. Tapos parang, first day, nasa Sneaker Street kami.
Where?
Sneaker Street.
Ano yun?
Yung street na puro shoes.
Puro shoes.
Saan yun?
Sa Hong Kong.
Hong Kong side or
Kowloon.
Kowloon side?
Kowloon.
Kowloon
Wait, may
side.
ganun talaga. That's what it's called?
Yeah,
Sneaker
Sneaker
Street?
Street.
I've never been there. Sa
And
Dalasal
eh,
Hong
kasama
Kong,
ko
di ko alam yun.
Iggy Boy and si Kuya Baji, yung director namin. So, us three, super hilig namin sa shoes. So, bili kami ng shoes. So, parang naubos agad yung money ko. Tapos last day, sabi ko, wala pa pala akong pasalubong sa sisters ko.
So, umutang ka kay Miles?
Hindi.
Hindi naman. Okay, but your ate super nice kasi you have to share a car. Tama ba? Tapos pag ikaw ang may shoot, tapos siya meron siyang ensayo or meron siyang game, nagko-commute siya for you.
True.
Grabe.
Opo, I don't have problems commuting because it's really faster for me and time is very...
Kasi Lasal mas madali
Opo.
nga talaga.
LRT lang po, then I go down sa school na po talaga.
So ikaw, hindi ka
Mabilis.
nag-guilty?
Nagigilty na naman.
Na inuna ka niya?
So
Ano?
like last taping, Wednesday, I think it was Wednesday, she rode with me kasi she had the job
Yeah, you
interview.
told me
Yeah.
that she was there.
So, she said, nag-away pa kami before that kasi kakagising ko lang. Tapos sabi niya, Uy, Mark, sabay ka lang kay Miles punta sa next location niya. Sabi ko, ha? Ang dami-dami kong gamit. Tapos sabi niya, sige na. I thought kasi one scene lang tayo, so mabilis lang. Then yung pala, super tagal. So parang na-guilty ako kasi I told the driver to leave early. Hinatid siya sa Soler. Tapos,
Are you gonna work in Soler?
OJT po.
Wow.
Yeah, so-
Anong OJT mo doon? For
In
what?
the marketing department po.
Wow.
Marketing major ka ba?
Opo.
So what? Nakuha ka?
I got in po, but my other group mates still have to go through interview.
Ba't ganun? Doon sila hinihintay?
Because in marketing po, the program of LaSalle, 4 of us have to go through the process together.
Okay, so the driver, what happened, Marco? We were in Santa Ana.
Yeah. So
Dinala ka sa Soler. Tapos,
Pinabalik mo agad.
Yeah. Hindi naman, I think mga 10 o'clock kasi the driver said na 2 hours daw from Soler to Santa Ana kasi super traffic daw.
well, that's true.
Yeah.
O tapos,
So,
iniwan ka doon.
Yeah.
Paano ka umuwi?
I was with my group mates, so we took a cab going home.
Ang gusto ko malaman, yung kotse mo na ba yun or family car
Family
pa?
pa rin, but ako na yung usually gumagamit.
Okay. Wala ka bang kotse?
Wala pa.
Yung pinag-iipunan.
Yun, yeah.
O dapat mag-ipon, tigilan muna yung mga sapatos. Kasi sa artista, yan ang number 1. Kailangan mo may sasakyan ka.
Yeah, that's my plan talaga yung next talaga car.
Correct.
Ang bait din ni ate,
In fairness.
Oo. Talaga, and
Spoiled yata ito.
I was about to say spoiled ka.
Itatag mo ng utak natin, ano?
Oo.
Spoiled to, no? Kasi all girls, tapos ito lang boys. But I'm sure
Only
spoiled.
boy.
Di naman masyado. It's
sa
like,
inyong dalawa, sinong spoiled?
My mom didn't raise us that way. We're not.
Talaga?
None of us.
Sasakyan, paano yun? You share?
Right now, it's usually with me rin. Right now,
Paano to?
I don't know. We don't really work naman or whatever. So,
So, when she starts taping,
Oo, paano
diba?
yun?
At paano yung school?
oh, yun nga, we're gonna do something about it. Siguro I have to get my own car na rin. Para, they'll have a car rin.
Oo, diba? How old is your brother?
10.
10. So, saan siya nag-aaral?
Ateneo.
Ah, wow. So, at least lahat kayo Miriam, right? Incoming freshman? Sa first year, tapos si brother is grade?
5.
Wow. Galing, diba? So,
Bongga.
you know, the other day, Khalil was here. And then, kinamusta ka namin sa kanya. And then, ang sinabi niya, he's met your family and all. Oo. Tapos, they're nice naman daw to him and all. Pero ang tanong, what's your opinion about Khalil? Sa pagbabalik niya ng
Hi.
Click TV.